Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear all browsing data on your Google Chrome application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our Google Chrome application. And after we have our Chrome application opened, we can go to the Chrome setting, click on the three dots on the top right. Okay, and this is the settings option. You can click on it, and now the settings option has been opened, and we have to go to the privacy and security. All right, and click on clear browsing data right here. And then here we have two options. We can select the basic setting, or we can also choose the advanced setting. And I'm gonna go with this one. And then here we can select which kind of the browsing data we would like to delete. And I'm going to click on this browsing data. And you can also customize the time range. You just need to click on this option, and here you can select all time if you want to clear all your browsing data on your Google Chrome. Then after that, you just need to click on clear data. And after you click on this clear data option, all the browsing data on your Google Chrome will be removed or will be deleted. Alright guys, and that's how we can clear all browsing data on Google Chrome. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.